In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF in Bluebeam. If you've ever tried to email a drawing set or upload a large report and hit a size limit, this quick process will help you shrink the file while keeping it readable and professional. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. You can launch Revu first and open the file from the File menu, or simply double-click your PDF and it will open in Revu if it's set as your default viewer. Give the document a quick glance so you know what kind of content you're dealing with, scanned images, photos, or mostly vector drawings, because that will guide your compression choices. Next, go to the File menu and choose Reduce File Size. This opens the compression dialog where you control how aggressively Revu will shrink your document. Think of this as a balance. Smaller files are easier to share, but compressing too much can make images fuzzy or text less crisp. If your PDF is image heavy, like scans or photos, start with a medium image quality setting. Medium typically delivers a strong size reduction with minimal visual loss. If the PDF contains detailed drawings or small annotations, lean toward higher quality to preserve sharp lines and legibility. You may see options related to image compression and downsampling. Lowering the resolution of images reduces size. For standard office use, a moderate DPI is often fine, while archival or print-ready documents may need higher settings. If there's a content type option, pick the one that best matches your file. Scanned documents benefit most from stronger compression, whereas digital vector plans usually compress well even with conservative settings. When in doubt, start conservative and adjust later. Once your settings look right, click OK. Bluebeam will process the file and apply your choices. The time this takes depends on the file's size and the complexity of its content. When it finishes, you'll see the updated document ready to be saved. Finally, save the PDF. If you want to keep the original just in case, choose Save As and add something like compressed to the file name so you can tell them apart. That way you can compare the two versions side by side and make sure fine text, stamp details, and shaded areas still look good. A quick check on a few key pages will confirm the quality is where you need it, and that's it. Open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu, go to File and Reduce File Size, choose the compression settings that fit your document, click OK, and save your optimized PDF. This simple workflow keeps your files lightweight, shareable, and ready for day-to-day use.